Another day, another lesson at Brandnoodle U. The halls are buzzing, and today the class is tackling one of the most important assignments every brand must face: writing your story. Your brand story isn't just about what you sell. It's about why you started, what you struggled through, and how you created something that matters. Let's head inside and take our seats. Well, it looks like someone has flipped the script. But don't worry, even the best stories start with a rough draft. Sometimes you just have to put your thing down, flip it, and reverse it. Every story has three parts, just like a term paper: an introduction, a body, and a conclusion. For a brand, that's your origin, your struggle, and your solution. First up, the introduction, your origin. This is where it all began. Why did you start? What was the spark that lit the fire? Take Airbnb. In 2007, two broke designers in San Francisco couldn't pay their rent. A design conference filled every hotel room in town. Their solution? They set up 3 air mattresses in their apartment and served breakfast. That spark became the start of a billion-dollar idea. Next comes the body, the struggle. What challenge did you face? What problem did you see in the world? And what almost stopped you? For Airbnb, the struggle was real. Nobody trusted the idea of staying with strangers. They couldn't get funding, and the money ran out. At one point, they had to sell novelty cereal boxes, Obama O's and Captain McCain's, just to keep the company alive. Finally, the conclusion, the solution. This is where you explain how your brand makes life better. What transformation do you deliver? Airbnb's solution wasn't just cheaper lodging. It was a story of belonging. A way for travelers to find connection, community, and comfort anywhere in the world. Their story became their greatest advantage. And that's the outline for every great brand story. To score an A, always include your origin, your struggle, and your solution. 3 simple parts, 1 powerful story. So, class, your assignment is simple. Outline your origin, your struggle, and your solution. Congratulations, you've just drafted your brand story. Now go write it with pride. Class dismissed, but don't close your notebooks yet. Next time at Brandnoodle U, we'll dive deeper into the art of storytelling and learn how to make your brand unforgettable.